Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super convenient. How to use Discover's Tap to Pay feature. If you're tired of fumbling for cash or swiping cards, this contactless payment method is a game changer. It's fast, secure, and perfect for our on-the-go lifestyles. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Tap to Pay? It's a contactless payment option that lets you make purchases by simply tapping your Discover card or linked mobile device on a compatible reader. Most modern Discover cards have this built in, just look for the Wi-Fi-like symbol on your card. To get set up, make sure your card supports tap payments. If you're using a smartphone, download your bank's app or add your card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Once that's done, here's how to use it step by step. Step 1. Find a merchant that accepts contactless payments. They'll have a special symbol on their payment terminal. Step 2. When it's time to pay, hold your card or phone about an inch away from the reader. No need to swipe or insert it. Step 3. Wait for the beep or green light, which means the transaction is complete. It's that simple and usually takes just a few seconds. Now, a few tips to make it even smoother. Always check for the contactless logo to avoid any confusion, and remember that for transactions over a certain amount, you might need to enter a PIN or sign. If it doesn't work, try moving your card closer or restarting the reader. Security is a big plus here. Each tap uses encryption to protect your info. There you have it. Tap to Pay with Discover is an easy way to speed up your shopping. Give it a try next time you're out, and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.